going to look at a very simple arrangement of this hymn, Come Thou Fount of Every Blessing. Now we're going to learn this phrase by phrase. The first phrase, on the right hand. The left hand is straightforward, it only has 4 notes. To combine them, if it's your first time trying to play the keyboard by both hands, when you practice separately, you might want to think about the rhythm of the other hand while playing with the left hand. So yeah, or you might sing the melody while you are practicing the bass line. La 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 la. And then you can combine the 2 hands together. Okay. The second phrase is exactly the same as the first phrase. When you move to the third phrase, you need to stretch your left hand slightly. Yeah. Also, as I said in my last video, when you're playing faster notes, try to use a little bit wrist movement. Okay. When you're learning to coordinate, as I said earlier, you might want to tap the rhythm while practice the other hand. Da, 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 da. The last phrase is exactly the same as the first 2. So to play them together. Thank you very much for watching. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to play the chords on the left hand while playing the melody on the right hand. So it sounds like this. Please follow my channel for more videos.